I am Iskra Smiljanic, and this study examined the role of attachment, travel experiences, and English proficiency in an international student's acculturative stress and depressive symptoms. There is an increasing number of international students in the US, and research has shown that they experience more adjustment difficulties than their American peers. However, despite the growing number of international students, they continue to be underserved in US academic institutions. Because international students experience more adjustment difficulties, we need to better understand the protective and risk factors associated with adjustment difficulties. The purpose of the study was to better understand how acculturative stress and depressive symptoms are related to attachment, travel experiences prior to studying abroad, and English proficiency. This study used quantitative measures. Data were collected via an online survey which consisted of a demographic questionnaire, the Center for Epidemiological Studies Depression Scale, which is a self-report measure asking participants to rate symptoms of depression for the past week, the Acculturative Stress Scale for international students, which is also a self-report measure that assesses adjustment-related issues of international students, and the Experiences in Close Relationships Inventory, which is a self-report measure that assesses individuals' experiences in relationships and their attachment style. Participants were 91 international graduate students in the US. Data were analyzed using descriptive statistics, Pearson correlations, and a one-way ANOVA. Results showed that attachment anxiety was positively correlated with acculturative stress, while attachment avoidance was not correlated with acculturative stress. Both attachment anxiety and attachment avoidance were positively correlated with depressive symptoms. Acculturative stress was positively correlated with depressive symptoms. Acculturative stress was lower for participants who traveled abroad before moving to the US to study here, in comparison to participants who never traveled abroad prior to moving to the US. TOEFL speaking section scores were negatively correlated with acculturative stress. The results of this study stress the importance attachment plays in international student adjustment to living and studying abroad. This study also highlights the important role that traveling abroad prior to studying abroad appears to play in international students' adjustment. In line with previous research findings, results of this study reinforce the role that English-speaking skills play in international students' adjustment. The results of this study have implications for future research, outreach programs within a college or university, and counseling to facilitate international students' adjustment.